Ho, ho, ho! AI Santa is here. Want to surprise your colleagues and boost their holiday spirit? Let's create a video greeting just like this one. First, head over to Pitch Avatar. Select Start from Scratch and choose a blank slide. Type in or generate your holiday message. You can even translate it into other languages to reach everyone on your team. Now, click Generate Avatar with AI and pick a festive character for your card. Select a voice from the library or use your own cloned voice. Then hit Generate. Once the avatar is ready, resize and adjust the video to fill the entire slide. And just like magic, your video is ready. Download it as an MP4 or generate a link to share the festive mood with your colleagues and clients. Wishing you a season filled with warmth, joy, and great success in the year ahead. Happy holidays!